Hello, this is my very first Fiverr video, and today we're going to talk about adding fractions. One thing we need to remember when adding fractions is that we need to make sure our denominators are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you up with a scenario where the denominators are the same, and you can just follow the simple steps. Okay, so what we've done here is we've set up the problem where the denominators are the same, so we have 1/3 plus 1/3. We know that the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. So when adding fractions, we make sure that the denominators are the same, and then we just go ahead and add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 2/3. Pretty simple. So the rule is you make sure the denominators are the same, and you add the numerators. Let's try another one. So we have 1/5 plus 3/5. Okay? So the denominators are the same, so you just add the numerators. 1 plus 3 is 4, so you have 4/5. Now, what do you do when the denominators are not the same? Say we had 2/5 plus, let's say 1/3. Okay? Now, we can't add these. A common misconception is say this is going to be 3/8. Don't do that. First, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we can multiply 5 by something and 3 by something to get the denominators equal to the same value. So, quick way to do it is do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So we need to find out what we need to multiply 5 by to get it to equal 15, and then the same thing for 3. So we have 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by 3/3, and I know 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to multiply the second fraction by 5/5. If you notice, 3/3 is equal to 1, and 5/5 is equal to 1. Therefore, you're multiplying the number by 1. It doesn't change the value. So when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across. So we have 6/15 plus 5/15 ends up being 11/15. Next thing we want to do is we want to look to see if the numerator and the denominator share any common values or factors, and if they don't, we know that it's in simplest form and we don't have to do anything. So when adding fractions, make sure that the denominators are the same, and if they are, just add the numerators. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to contact me on Twitter, and if the video was also a good thing, and you'd like another one, you can reach out on Fiverr and ask for some help there. Okay, hopefully this was helpful, and I look forward to your feedback.